Literally just your naked iPhone, it clips right on, and you don't even have to think about it. I remember the days when you had to plug battery packs into your iPhone. That was annoying compared to this, that you just snap on and boom, it's charging. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome tech videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, tablets, cases, speakers, headphones, and really just so much more. Anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack for the iPhone 12 line of smartphones. So that includes my iPhone 12 Pro Max right here, in addition to obviously the 12, 12 mini, and 12 Pro. Anyway, I'm super excited to get this guy out of the box and start trying it out because I'm really a fan of MagSafe, which basically allows you to magnetically connect different accessories to the 12 line of smartphones with the magnets already built into the phone. So these include cases, wireless chargers, wallets, and now Apple's own battery pack. I wish this would have came out though when the iPhone 12s originally came out instead of now over the summer, but better late than never. I'm just really excited to get this out of the box. So let's do that. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. It's in the traditional, clean, simple, and elegant Apple white packaging. We've got a picture of the battery pack right here. It's also labeled iPhone battery pack MagSafe. Over here on the back, we've got a picture of it magnetically attaching to the back of an iPhone 12. And yeah, very simple packaging, so we can just rip this off and open it up nice and easy, and voila, here it is. So as you can see, I got it in the white color because unfortunately that is the only color that is available. I wish it would have come in at least a black color as well, because white is just pretty plain and pretty boring, or maybe matching colors with the iPhones, because the iPhone 12 does come in all those colorful colors, as well as the 12 Pro Max. I have the blue color, so yeah, I would have rather seen some different colors, but I guess white will have to do right here. As you can see, we've got an Apple logo right here in gray, it looks like. Then if we come over here to the bottom, you can see we've got a lightning port for charging up this battery pack, and over here on the back we've got the MagSafe shape for the magnets. We've got this big circle right here, as well as this little area right here. If you are wondering how the battery pack feels, it feels smooth over here on this side, and over here on this side it's slightly a little more textured over there and soft, I guess, so when it rubs on your phone, hopefully it doesn't scratch it. And right here we've also got some paperwork. So let's see, yeah, paperwork right there. And as you will notice, that's all that came in the box. So unfortunately it doesn't come with a lightning cable or an AC adapter to plug into your wall. That really stinks in my opinion, because this battery pack right here is, believe it or not, $99. So it is not exactly cheap. And it doesn't even come with the charging cable. I guess you'll have to use the one that came with your iPhone, because once again, lightning, so it has the exact same port that's on your iPhone. But still, I would have appreciated another cable right there, especially when you consider the price of this. But yeah, now that we've got everything out of the box right here, let's get this guy on my iPhone. So here's my iPhone 12 Pro Max right here running iOS 14.7. You need to be running at least that version of iOS for compatibility with the MagSafe battery pack right here. I almost forgot to update my software before making this video, so thankfully I did already do that. So we can just snap it right on, and ooh, I feel those magnets working, and boom, I think I even heard a nice little click right there. Now it is on my iPhone. And as you can see, this is really cool. Even in your battery widget right here, you can see the MagSafe battery pack pop up, and as you can see, this kind of sucks. It came charged to 0%, so yes, I'm gonna have to go run and charge it real quick, but before I do that, let's look at how it looks on my iPhone. As you can see right here, it doesn't take up the whole back of the device. It has some blue phone showing on the sides right there, which does make sense because this particular battery pack is also compatible, like I already said, with the smaller iPhone 12s, not just the 12 Pro Max right here. So that is definitely good. First impression, it does add some weight to the phone. Now the phone, even though it's not wearing a case, does feel quite a bit heavier with this battery pack on. And I will say, just looking at it right here, the battery pack actually looks thicker than the phone, which kind of sucks. I would like to see one day in the future, imagine if you had a really, really thin battery that could just slap onto the back of your iPhone from Apple, like almost credit card thin, or maybe a couple credit cards. That's what I'd like to see in the future, because this is definitely a thick boy right here. But hey, at least it's by Apple. And as you can see down here, now we got dual lightning ports since we already got one on the phone. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and plug the MagSafe battery pack in, get it charged, and then we can keep using it. Okay, so now I got the MagSafe battery pack right here, all charged up to just under 50%, and it's actually pretty cool. So when you go ahead and plug the MagSafe battery pack into its lightning port to charge it, your iPhone charges as well. So it's almost like it turns into a wireless charging pad. And believe it or not, Apple also says that if you plug the lightning cable instead of into the battery pack right here, if you plug it into the iPhone can actually reverse wirelessly charge the battery pack as well. So that is pretty cool. You have the choice of plugging the cable into the phone or into the battery pack to charge both. I just think that's super awesome. I also like here this integration into iOS that the battery pack has, how you can once again super easily see in your widgets what the battery pack is at, because you're definitely going to want to know the percent charge that it has, and it's right next to your iPhone, so that's super duper easy. Another thing too, actually, when you take the battery pack off, watch this. When you put it on your iPhone for the first time, here, look at this. I'm just snapping it on the phone right here, and look, up pops this little thing that says how much the phone is charged as well as how much the battery pack is charged. So I think that animation right there is super cool and friendly, especially how it uses that circular shape that denotes MagSafe right there, just like on the actual battery pack itself. You'll also notice down here on the bottom of the MagSafe battery pack, it has a glowing light right there. And that's sort of like a charging indicator to let you know when the battery is charging. And it's also lighting up right now when I take the battery off of the iPhone. And now another thing, if I put it back on the iPhone right here, we can look at that beautiful animation again, but then watch this. Once the animation goes away, it says on my lock screen right here that with the battery pack, it will only charge the iPhone up to 90%. So that's just something to note right there. I believe that's to prolong the health of the battery in the iPhone, which is definitely good. And I believe the battery pack, according to Apple, also charges itself to prolong its health as well, because obviously you don't want to be charging your batteries all the time up to 100% and wear them out and then have to replace the battery. So that is definitely good right there. I just think this is just such a cool use of MagSafe that literally you don't have to buy a separate case or anything. Literally just your naked iPhone, it clips right on and you don't even have to think about it. I remember the days when you had to plug battery packs into your iPhone. That was annoying compared to this, that you just snap on and boom, it's charging. This is so cool. And now speaking of snapping on in cases, obviously if you have a MagSafe case, this battery pack will work as well. So in my pocket right here, I actually have Apple's very own clear MagSafe case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I can just pop this onto my iPhone right here. And as you can see, the MagSafe pops up right there, even when you put the case on. And then we can take the battery pack and see if it works with this. And yep, I heard a little click. And then boom, the same battery indicators pop up on the screen. And yeah, believe it or not, it actually feels a bit more sturdy, those magnets with the case. It feels like it doesn't want to jiggle around as much. So that is actually really good right there. So yeah, I'm gonna actually take this case right off because it does feel like it has a bit of wiggle room when that case wasn't on. So let's see, yeah, we can put this on right here and see it definitely wants to move around way more without that case on. So that is definitely kind of annoying. I wish it was on more sturdy, like when it attaches to this case right here, because I wouldn't want to just accidentally knock the battery off of my phone and then have it fall on the ground. That would be annoying. And yeah, this definitely feels more sturdy like that. So, I mean, yeah, folks, definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of Apple's MagSafe battery pack for the iPhone 12 line of phones. Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's overpriced? Do you have it for yourself? Let me know. I do read all the comments, by the way. My personal opinion, I think this is really cool. I'm glad I have it now. I'm excited to keep using it more. I just love MagSafe accessories. accessories. I also really like Belkin's MagSafe wireless charging stand. I use that every night to charge up my iPhone. So I'll have a link to that MagSafe video as well as my other videos about MagSafe accessories down in the description if you guys want to check those out as well, because again, I just think MagSafe is super duper cool. Magnets are pretty awesome. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.